You might not expect to see a sentiment score of plus 0.21, while momentum sits at minus 0.27. But that's exactly what we're observing in the realm of artificial intelligence right now. This divergence is striking, hinting at a potential shift in sentiment despite the negative momentum. You're looking at 16 semantic clusters that could point to emerging trends or underlying concerns that other metrics aren't capturing yet. Our API returns a comprehensive analysis, providing you with sentiment scores, momentum data, and semantic clusters that you can leverage for nuanced insights. Imagine integrating this data into your app to trigger alerts when sentiment shifts unexpectedly, allowing you to act swiftly on insights that others might miss. Ready to dive deeper? Check out pulsebit.logenterprise.com/docs for more details.